I'm making this video because some clients reached out and they are wondering how many persons have you successfully created DUNS number for. How do we trust that the DUNS number that you're giving is legitimate, right? So that is why I am making this particular video. So if you look at this is my email backend, and usually I create an email for the companies I apply for, so that I can be in the communication, because when you apply they send an automated email, and that automated email comes to the email backend that I create for them. And also when the number is ready, they send another automated email, and that automated email also comes to the email I sent to them, so that when I apply, I give them feedback that I have applied, I show them evidence that I've applied, and when the number is ready, I also send it to them. So that is why I create these emails. But these emails do not feature in their company profile, right? So that you're not wondering, are you not changing their email address? No, this is strictly for communication purposes, right? So we have about 26 emails here, but one is the admin email. So about 25 of them are for clients that I've applied for. These clients are from different countries. Specifically, majority of them are from Nigeria. One is from Kenya, one is from Malawi, and one is from Zambia. So I think this busy is from Zambia. So I applied for this particular one, and this particular one took some time. Usually it is within 3 to 5 days, but this particular one took more than 5 days, and sometimes it happens like that. So I applied for this person on the 6th of October, and I got a reply, I got a feedback that it is created on the 13th of October. So if you take out the weekend in between, you have approximately 5 to 7 days that it took for us to get feedback on this particular application. So when we apply, we get the notification that we've applied. This is the case summary, and they tell us how long it is going to take. They say it is 7 to 14 days for international or non-US based countries. But from my experience, it is usually done within at most 7 days, right? So that is why I usually tell my clients that they can get it within 3 to 5 working days. And so this is how straightforward the process is. We apply, they give us feedback. When the number is ready, they also send the number. And once the number is ready, I forward it to the client, and from there it takes about 24 hours for the number to propagate, and from then they can begin to use it for whatever purposes. So what you need to apply is your business registration certificate, and then your other details of the business, which we usually collect from you in the process, in the course of the application, right? So these are various ones that we applied. This one recently came in. This is from Malawi. Then if you look at the one from Kenya, should be Zuri, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think Zuri is from Kenya. So if we open it up, we'll see that we applied for this on the 9th of September, and we got feedback that it was okay. The first feedback we got was for us to provide additional information. So the additional information is usually contained in a questionnaire, and once we fill that particular questionnaire, then they will reply to the mail, and the last email we get is that the number is resolved. So this is the DUNS number, Zuri HR, Nairobi, Kenya, right? So that is how it works. Let me show you from my WhatsApp the communication we have with some of these clients. You can see that we're very professional. When we apply, we tell them we have applied, and when the number is ready, we also tell them. If there is any other communication in between, maybe when a questionnaire is sent and we need further information from the clients, we reach out to them, they provide us those information, we fill it, and we submit the questionnaire, and the number is processed. So let's say, let me search for the Kenya guy, very lovely guy, Dennis from Kenya. So this is Dennis. So he made payment. Funnily enough, I decided to do it for him without collecting payment first, because he wanted to be sure that I could be trusted, right? So I said, okay, there's no cause for alarm. I will process it, and when it is ready, you can make payment. So I sent him my payment link, and first he said the site was down, and later on the payment was made, and I confirmed it, right? So that is how we work. The Who else? So he told me that he referred somebody, and the person in question is Tomilola. So you see that we deliver, and because of that, they're able to also refer other persons to us. So if you need DUNS number, do not hesitate to send me a message through the link in the description of this video, and I'll be glad to help you with the process. Thank you for watching.